Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon. I'm back at it with another video. Today, I'm making some jumbo 3-chip cookies. For this recipe, we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, butter, granulated sugar, packed brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, and walnuts. Before making the recipe, you need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In my case, I'm using an air fryer because that's my thing. Now it's time to pour 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's where I got baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
Time to put in 3 sticks of butter. You know, there's no such thing as too much. Now it's time to put 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Now it's time to put 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar. Eso es lo que mata mi primo. Azúcar. Y 2 huevos. Time to get slick with it and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm using bourbon vanilla extract because that's also my thing. For my family tradition, we can't resist not using that. We use this for the holidays. Now it's time to chop up 1 cup of walnuts and put it in the bowl. Last but not least, we add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients and then turn it into a dough. Once that's done, you turn them into a ball with clean hands. Since I'm going to bake these in the air fryer, I'm going to use parchment paper and then bake these for 12 to 14 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. And the cookies are nice and golden brown. Look at that nice crisp right here. So good. And I got rum raisin ice cream to go with it. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It's so good. It's very crispy. Puedo saber estas nueces. Chocolate. That buttery taste. Good combination for these cookies. Well, I hope you liked this video. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.
Con lo descoordinado que se vio en la primera. Coach, se puede tanto.